all-in-one laundry sheet simplifies your daily routine with time-saving innovation. Combining detergent and color protection for a new era of smart laundry, here are the 3 key strengths of MilieU. Strength 1. Patented technology prevents color transfer while ensuring a deep clean. MilieU's all-in-one sheet integrates detergent and patented color protection into a single, simple step. Washing performance shows a 16.5% improvement compared to domestic standards. Strength 2. Experience EWG green grade safety with non-hazardous ingredients for your family. Certified biodegradable packaging from the UK's Symphony company supports easy and responsible recycling. Strength 3. Eco-friendly and sustainable packaging reflects our care for the planet. MilieU makes laundry effortless with clear and easy-to-follow usage guidance. MilieU ensures trusted safety through patented technology and verified certifications for gentle and worry-free everyday use. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us